All right, just getting my camera out of the bag. I've been waiting to get back to here, and although the weather doesn't look great, it's different and it's interesting, and that's the whole point. Well, Diane's filming right now. I'm coming to you from Rockport, Massachusetts, and right behind me is a very iconic structure in the Rockport Harbor. It's actually got the name of Motif No.1. And it got that name from actually a painting that was done of it some time ago. And the artist called it Motif No.1, and it stuck. My understanding is that this is a replacement building. The one was destroyed in some kind of hurricane or some blizzard or something some years ago. So they rebuilt it exactly like the old one and painted it exactly the same so it looks the same. Now, I'm not sure if the angle here is the greatest. I'm using basically the equivalent of a 24-80 lens, which is going to allow me to get the whole building. This one fishing boat is kind of going to be in the frame. There's no way around it from here. However, across the harbor, there's a jetty that comes out that I think might give us a better shot. But the bottom line is, there's lots of different structures. Even though I'm sure in the video, the sky looks completely flat gray, there actually is some structure in it, and I'm going to be able to bring that out in software. So really the story is, the weather doesn't always cooperate, but it doesn't mean there's not great photos. So let's walk around and see what we can get of Motif No.1. So we took a walk around to the other side, and there's the building right behind me. It is a much easier kind of view. However, I first started shooting it with just the water in front of it, and it's okay, but maybe it's a little more interesting if we can get some of these piers and the rocks on this pier, or jetty or whatever it is, to be in the foreground to lead off to that. Also, after I took a detailed shot when I zoomed in close, I thought, oh, let me do a vertical panoramic of the entire thing as well. Even though the weather doesn't look great, this is still kind of an iconic place, and we could still make some really interesting photographs with it. Take a look. Hope you enjoy them. Thanks for joining me. See you again soon. Bye-bye.